What if your entire life is a 3D projection from the edge of the universe? The holographic principle says everything inside the universe, matter, energy, even space-time, might be encoded on a two-dimensional surface at the boundary of the cosmos. That means we could be like a hologram, 3D in experience, but actually 2D in essence. This idea comes from black hole physics. When a black hole absorbs matter, the information isn't stored inside. It's imprinted on its surface. Apply that logic to the whole universe, and we might be living in a reality where the edge holds the truth. It's not metaphor, it's mathematical.